Hello guys, on the last two tutorials I have shown you how if statement it works and if and else statement also work. First if statement I have shown you if and else statement I have shown you how how um, to find the even number, two even numbers, and one is that for calculating total expenses. So on today's tutorial I will show you how we can use this nested uh, if and else statement. So we will use this nested if and else statement, how we can implement it. And on today's example I will use uh, to calculate or to check whether that particular year is a leap year or not. So what actually a leap year? A leap year, it consists of 366 days, uh, the total days. So for the normal 2020 it's contained 366 days, so 2019 actually like it have contained 365 days. So what actually is that this what comes here, we normally we have the month of February, it's called February, Feb. On the month of Feb we have 29, but on other years like on Feb we have actually how much, it's actually a 28. So this one day it belongs to a leap year, like 366 days. So this the main logic behind this leap year is that it should be divisible by 4. So year means year should be divisible by 4, uh, 4 so sorry 4, but but there is a but, not by how much, 100, but should year should be divisible by 400. So there is three condition out there, so we will check by using this nested if and else statement whether we will check whether that particular year is a leap year or not. So we will go through the live example. So let's check out with the live example. So here I use with the def sys plus plus. So here go I new. So we need to include hash, include the header file stdio.h. Then we need to include conio.h. we need to include the main function. So this is the main. Then we have two curly braces, one for opening and one for the close. So we need one variable instead of type integer in here. Then we need to print f, or this is the function for printing. So enter any here. So enter in here /t. Then we have in scan it. This is scan percentage t. Then we need to pass it year. So check out. Then here comes logic if year mod of 4 is equal to 0, then check out this leap year or not. Then printf percentage, because we need to print it, percentage d is a leap year. Yeah, so we need to pass it here. So now we will check else if. So this is called a nested if and else statement. So else if here uh, mode of 100, so mode of 100 is not equal to 0. So here it's still printf percentage d is not, it's not a leap year. So we need to pass it again here. So we terminate the statement. Else if again, else if here mode of 400 is equal to 0, then we will print it, printf, we will print this year should be a leap year. So percentage d is a leap year. Okay, we need to pass it here. So close it. Else we will print it, sorry, printf percentage d is not here. So pass it that here. So okay, now we need one function that is for the input output, the main get ch. So let's check out, save it, leave here, so dot c of type extension c. So let's check out, we will compile it, that it will give some error or not. So 2000, we said 2020 is a leap year, we'll check. So it's a leap year. Again we'll check, let's have some modification under my code. So printf will give /n just for to look the output much better. So now it's learning, and I forgot t, sorry. So 2020 is a leap year, so yeah, it's a leap year. Now we will check with 2019. See, it's not a leap year. So on the these are the sum of like some of the year, like which is not include leap year, and some year it's include leap year. So we will check with 2016. So compile, run it, 2016. So yeah, it's a leap year. So to compile and run it, I forgot, like you can use this one command for the shortcut. I will just give it here /4, it's F9. So F9, so if you are using a desktop, so just simply press F9, or like if you are using a laptop, then we have one function, it might, you have to fn function, this is the function key, fn plus, so you need to press it both at the same time, so it will run and compile it. No need to go again and again this compile run, so just compile and run it. Thank you guys, please do subscribe.